Welcome to this week's Safeguarding 60, all this week's safeguarding headlines within a 60-second deadline. First up, activity tracker apps. These fitness apps use GPS and other device data to help users keep track of stats from their workouts, the routes that they run, their pace or how far they've cycled. People love the social side of apps, but what about the privacy risks for children and young people? Find out more here. Is the pandemic leading to an increase in eating disorders, anxiety, lack of control, and increased social media exposure to harmful images about diet and weight are just a few of the risks we unpack? Check out our safeguarding fact sheet. Online risks to children are not always obvious. Some can be very subtle. Even apps that encourage a healthy lifestyle could contain hidden risks. Our Staying Safe online workshop provides an in-depth understanding of hidden risks to children, how to access support, and more. Our free places are limited, so book now. That's it from us. Be sure to subscribe and thank you for watching.